everyone, Laura Borja, your San Diego home loan expert. Today we are going to be talking about frequently asked questions by first-time home buyers, specifically as it pertains to down payment. Before we get started though, don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the box if you want to get more info about me. And a transcript of this video will be available on my blog. The link is below. Okay, so here we go. One of the first questions I get is, how much down payment do I need? And that can be a complicated question to answer because it all depends on your situation. Technically speaking, it is possible to purchase a home with zero down. How? One would be if you qualify for a VA loan. If you are eligible for a VA loan, you would do no money down as long as you are not borrowing more than your county loan limit. Now, if you are not eligible for a VA loan, another way to get 100% financing here in San Diego County is to use USDA financing. Now, USDA financing does have income limits, but more importantly, or just as important, I should say, it has restrictions on the location. So the home has to be in an area where USDA considers it to be a rural area. So to find out if the area that you're interested in is eligible for 100% USDA financing, click on the link below and that will take you to a map and you can check that out. The next category would be conventional financing. If you are a first-time home buyer, it is now possible to purchase a home using conventional financing with as little as 3% down, as long as you are purchasing it as a primary residence and it's a one-unit property. If you are not a first-time home buyer, however, 5% is the minimum requirement on conventional loans. If for some reason you can't qualify for conventional financing, maybe your credit is not quite there or your debt to income ratio is a little higher than what will qualify you for conventional financing, then FHA would be your next best option. The minimum down payment is 3.5%. You actually don't have to be a first-time home buyer to purchase using FHA financing. And you can purchase a multi-unit property with 3.5% down. So there you have it, a little rundown on minimum down payment requirements. Where can my down payment come from? Your hard-earned cash in your savings and checking accounts or investment and even retirement account are acceptable sources of down payment. But if you have a generous relative that would like to help you out, gifts are also a possibility for either part or all of the cash to close, depending on the type of transaction that you are entering into. If you are buying a one-unit property, then all of the down payment can be from a gift for conventional FHA, VA, and USDA. There is no minimum requirement. One exception is if you are purchasing a home as an investment using conventional financing, gifts are not allowed. So all of the cash to close will need to come from your own funds. Now, don't forget, as previously stated in other videos, documenting and paper trailing funds to close is a very important part of the process. So please check the link below and take a look at the blog, or maybe it's over here, not sure. And take a look at the blog and the video that I put together regarding acceptable sources of funds so that you don't find yourself in a sticky situation later. So there you have it. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Send me an email if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.